What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Cece. This is my fitness channel where I like to share my fitness journey with you guys. Every day is a gift, and I am so grateful that you decided to spend part of that gift here with me. I really like to emphasize individuality and promote the understanding that not everyone's journey is the same or linear. So for more of that, be sure to subscribe. Oh my god, I didn't even say thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for all the love, all of the engagement on my last monthly video. I really appreciate it, you guys. As a creator, it's kind of hard to quantify like how much it actually means to receive good feedback and to receive engagement. It really helps me out, and I just really appreciate it. So we're gonna keep going with these monthly videos, and I'm just so glad that you guys actually enjoy them. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a review of my goals that I had for July, as well as going into some new goals that I have for August. And yeah, let's get right into it. I do have my goals written down here. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get into July goals. Okay, so one of my goals was to actually eat more fruits and vegetables, and while I did do that, I didn't do it as often as I wanted to, so I'm gonna give it like a check and an X, a check minus. Like, I don't really know. I don't feel like I did that as much as I wanted to. I definitely want to do that more, but life got a bit busy this month, so that's why I wasn't able to focus on it as much as I wanted to. Another one of my goals was to schedule a digital detox. I was all about digital detoxing last month, and I still really love it. I did do a few days. I wasn't good about scheduling it ahead of time, which is definitely something I really want to work on, because I just feel like I do it better and I stick to it more once I'm scheduling and planning to do it ahead of time. My third goal for July was actually to listen to 2 podcasts, and I did. I'm going to put up the podcast I listened to up here for you guys. I really love Africa Brooke. She articulates so beautifully, and I listened to a couple of her podcasts this month. Yeah, so I definitely recommend you check her out if you're just looking for a quick podcast to listen to. My fourth goal for July was actually to have distraction-free eating. If you guys are new here and you don't know what that is, or what I frame it as, it's just eating without like a device, being on your phone. If you are the type that scrolls or has to have a show up when you're eating, I'm also that person. But one of my goals for July was to try to have at least 1 or 2 meals a day where I'm not on my phone or trying to sit down and watch TV. I'm just literally eating, having that moment to eat. And I actually did that quite a bit this month, and it gets easier with time. But typically I would do it for breakfast or dinner. I would sit down and just eat my meal. No phone, no TV, no scrolling. It's just me and my food, really appreciating each bite, and it was really nice. It's a nice change up. It just really allows me to enjoy and appreciate my food more. Okay, so the last goal that I had for July was music-free walks, and I did do this more towards the beginning of the month. I'm going to give myself a check for this goal because I definitely accomplished it. However, I definitely wanted to do more, but it's been getting really hot. So that's the only thing about summer for me. It's like it's just too hot to really enjoy being outside. I'm going to give myself a check because I definitely did it. I definitely enjoyed it, and it is so refreshing to just listen to the sounds of nature on a nice walk. Oh, one goal I did forget, which is not written down, but I'm remembering it, is to read 3 books. I did not do that, you guys. Like I said, life got busy this month because I started a new job working from home, which has been really great for me, but I have not been making time to read at night or even in the mornings, which is just something, again, I need to prioritize and make time for. I did read 1 book this month. I can't remember what it was called. It was something about a key. I'll pop it up. It was actually really good. Sorry, there was a gnat. If y'all have plants and y'all have gnats, we are also the same. I've been pushing through surpassing my book goal pretty much every single month since I started doing these monthly videos, so it's okay to have a down month. I have a couple books here that I'm planning to read, and we will see how that goes for the month of August. So now we're gonna move into August goals, you guys. I'm going to again try to minimize my goals this month because I am still doing this job and completely new role. I'm learning new things. There's lots of computer things. It's very technical in the sense that I need to be very precise. It's detail oriented, so it takes a lot of my mental load for the day. I don't know if I'm wording it correctly. So I knew going into July, and I know going into August, that I need to allow that to take that space for right now. And it's okay to have seasons where things aren't what they used to be, or aren't the same, or aren't how you want them to be. Just know that it's a season. That's how I feel right now. Like, I haven't been able to get to the gym as much this month. I haven't been able to work out as much. Yeah, so I have not been as active this month for the month of July because of this job. It just takes up, I feel like we have like, what is it, like 20 units of energy for the day, right? And the more units of energy that a job or, you know, outside things require from me, the less energy I have to go to the gym, to get out for walks, to prioritize my meals. And that's just something I'm working on adjusting. And I actually, I don't know if I'm going to work on adjusting because I feel like, again, this is just a phase, but it's something that I have accepted. I'm not accepting to the point where like I'm a victim to my circumstances, but I just recognize that this phase is going to last a couple months. And then once this phase is over, I'll be able to shift back more into spending more time and energy and effort into getting to the gym, going on walks, and just remaining active and prioritizing a healthy lifestyle in the best way that I can. But I do want to make sure you guys know you always should spend some of those units of energy for yourself, for yourself, and for filling up your own cup. It's really, really important to do that. But again, depending on the phase you're in, that just might look different from time to time. So that's just the phase I'm in right now. So one of my first goals is just to read 2 books this month. I have shifted my mind a little bit. July was my month kind of acclimating and getting used to the new job. And now that I kind of have and understand the flow of it, okay, now I know like this is where I need to make time to do this, and this is going to work better for my schedule. So I do think I'm going to be able to read those 2 books, read at least 2 books this month. Okay, so my second goal is going to be working towards a new routine. This goal is kind of linked to another goal. I've just been in this phase. I don't know if it's my age or just like, again, this phase I'm in, I definitely need more rest. So I find myself sleeping 8 to 9 hours a night, which is fine, but I need to go to bed earlier so I can wake up earlier and figure out a routine with that, because I'm so used to waking up at a specific time at 6 or 6:30, and then it gives me time to do X, Y, and Z in the morning. So, but those mornings that I'm waking up, I'm only getting 7 to 8 hours, and I feel more tired than if I was getting my 8 to 9. So I need to work on building a new routine, and if that means going to bed earlier, then I need to go to bed earlier. But I need to put actual energy and intention towards building a new routine versus just like letting it flow and letting it go, which there's nothing wrong with that. I want to be clear, but I just want to have more of a routine around my bedtime, my waking up time. That's just kind of what that's about, that goal. And it's also really focused for me on honoring my body, which is going to be another goal that I'm going to have this month that I'm going to share with you guys. And I also really want to get excited about working out again. So I don't know if I'm going to switch up my workout routine. You guys, I just did a great video on the Evolve You app. If you guys are interested, definitely check it out. But I don't know if I'm going to switch trainers or just switch up my workout routine, but I just want to get excited about working out again. It's come to the place where it's like have to, and it's crazy because I know the mind frame of changing I have to I get to. It's not working. We don't have a solution for when that's not working anymore. So I think that instead of trying to force myself into this routine or force myself to work out in this specific way, I need to focus on finding a routine that actually works for me and that I'm excited about. So that's going to be one of my goals this month, to get more excited about working out again. To think I might have to switch up my trainers. There's so many different programs on there. Like I literally just discovered that there's a calisthenic program on there by Saman. Just depending on the kind of person that you are, routine may or may not be important to you, but I definitely like having a routine, especially when it comes to working out and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So I look forward to hopefully nailing something down this month, and then I can share that with you guys in my videos. You guys will see that journey, so make sure you subscribe so you can see how I'm coming along with building a new routine. Okay, so I also have listened to podcasts again. Podcasts are just great, especially for when you're walking or doing things around the house like cleaning. I love having that background noise, and I love listening to music, but sometimes it's nice to listen to something constructive and actually like take in good information while you're doing your daily tasks. So I do want to listen to 2 podcasts this month. If you guys do listen to podcasts, definitely let me know in the comments down below what kind of podcasts you guys listen to. I like to listen to like interesting learning ones like The Diary of a CEO, and I also listen to very occasionally like more fun catching up kind of ones, like pretty basic. So let me know what kind of podcasts you guys are into, if you guys listen to them at all. Like having a goal of listening to 2, because it was getting towards the end of the month, you guys, and I was like, I don't listen to my second podcast. So it's like, okay, so what am I going to listen to? And then it forced me to actually pick something constructive, and there were so many good takeaways from that specific podcast. So okay, so this is going to be a last goal, and it's kind of a goal with like indent bullet points underneath, and I'm so excited to share with you guys that for the month of August I want to do a challenge. I'm calling it the Honor Your Vessel 30-day challenge. So I'm thinking about doing like a template or something on Canva and sharing it with you guys if you want to print it out. And I've actually already started it. I don't know if I'm going to pop it up. I think I'm going to pop it up so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. But it's the Honor Your Vessel challenge, and I want to have a monthly calendar that I'm going to print out. And then every day I want to do 4 of the 6 activities to honor my body. And that's why this is kind of linked to my new routine goal, because it really is about honoring my body and not resisting what my body needs and actually listening to it. I don't know about y'all, but I definitely get into a space where it's like, well, this is how it's gonna go. Well, this is how it's gonna go. My body's like, is it though? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you have to have space for listening as well, instead of always being, I don't want to say disciplined, but I don't know how to word it correctly. But great example of that is me waking up earlier. I've been trying to wake up earlier, but honoring my body would really be going to bed earlier, so that my body is getting the rest that it's requesting of me in order to wake up earlier and feel rested. I hope that made sense. I heard someone say, honor the vessel that carries my soul, and that, I can't remember the context of that particular conversation, but I heard that and it really just spoke to me. So that's where this came from. Honor your vessel. This is the vessel that's carrying your soul. This is our body. I have 6 things that I'm going to have on the calendar every single day. You're going to see it here. It's going to make more sense. Meditation, drinking 64 ounces of water, moving my body, getting enough rest, 3 or more servings of fruits and vegetables, and nightly reading. So those are my 6 activities. And then every day I'm going to try to do 4 of those 6 activities to honor my vessel, because I know these are the top things that make me feel great. But I also recognize that not every single day am I going to be able to check off every single thing. So again, I'm thinking about having this template. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. I'm still working on it. I haven't filled mine out completely. And also was working on building again the template for you guys. So if you want that template, I will definitely work on that and try and get it done for you guys tomorrow, because today's Saturday and this video is going up tomorrow. But if not, that's okay. If you guys have another way of doing it, if you guys have another way of tracking some really good, important activities that really do allow you to fill your own cup up and make you feel and look your best, then I think that you should do those things, whatever they look like. So I like switching my perspective on my goals, because I definitely want to put more time and energy and intention into building a healthy routine, into drinking more water, into all these little things that I really know without a single doubt will help me to show up and do and be my best. So that's why I decided to have this challenge, and I thought it would be nice if you guys wanted to join. I'm a very visual person, so I think seeing the calendar every day and being able to check that box, like, I think that's going to be really helpful for me. That's it for August, you guys. I'm keeping it really simple, really short, giving myself the space to honor my body, honor my vessel, to have a new routine, and to also be able to decompress with a good book, and to intake good information with the podcast. You know, these are the things that really do help me feel my best, and I cannot wait to hear about the goals that you guys have for August. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, because that supports me and my channel, which I'm so appreciative of. And of course, subscribe for more content. Every day is a gift, and I'm so grateful that you decided to spend part of that gift here with me. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.